Time for some roller skate maintenance. We're going to need a bearing washer, some bearing oil, a bearing puller, a skate tool, and some alcohol. We start by pulling the wheels. I always put the nuts back on so I don't lose them. This is a good time to inspect your plates for cracks. Now we pull the bearings. Now we can put the bearings in the bearing cleaner. Make sure the open side of the bearing goes towards the cap, then put a spacer between each bearing. Now tighten it down with the wing nut. Fill the washer 1/3 with alcohol. Tighten down the cap. Now shake for 30 seconds. Now remove the cap. Give all the bearings a good spin. Replace the cap and shake for 30 more seconds. Now the first 8 are clean. Put some fresh alcohol in and repeat the process with the other 8. Place all the bearings on a cloth open side down so they dry out. Once they're dry, flip them over for oil. I put 2 drops in each bearing. Now give all 16 bearings a good spin. Now to clean the wheels, I just use window cleaner. Now to reinstall the bearings, I just use the screwdriver because I don't have a bearing press. Now we can reinstall them on the skates. Alright, these are ready to roll, but there's still one more issue to address. These insoles are beat. Time for a fresh set. Alright, time to go hit that floor. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time on the Maker Hack Shack.